Watch out for rattlesnake. Get bird. It's the mission. Mm-mm. Everyone knows you must check your chamber all the time, every time. Because the one time ain't much, but it's honest work. This is gangster, dude. All right, chill, bros. You guys are just, hey. You're all better now. See, look, you're gonna flap away. You're just not gonna leave. I mean, look at that. They're beautiful. Who wouldn't want to come hang out with these birds, right? And now we wait. Cheers to the end of the year. The most wonderful time of the year. Oh man, I didn't want to blow him up shooting him head on. I thank you. I really do. I appreciate it. Okay, I'm gonna take. You don't get to do that. This is actually insane. Mm-mm. Oh my god, you hear that rattler? Where is it, dude? Fuck! I've ran into way too many rattlesnakes this... Oh, dude, that just sent absolutely intense chills down my spine. I thought that was the end. Here lies Joey, dead in a dove field. He had 5 dugs. Yeah. Oh, there's one in the bush. You know, a dove in the bush is better than a snake in a cement butthole, or whatever that is. Oh man, I'm sorry, bud. I followed you up just to make sure. All right, this is not PG. Hey, GoPro, stop recording.